So Scott, can you share with us your Dr. Fuhrman story?
Yeah, it happened many years ago. I was in my mid-30s, and in a nutshell, I was diagnosed with many degenerative diseases. Basically lost 80% of the vision in my left eye. I had heart disease, cardiovascular disease. They were talking about performing bypass surgery on me at that time. Along with those, I was also diagnosed with stage 4 melanoma. I had many surgeries and had my lymph nodes removed on the left side of my body. And because of that, it caused what's known as lymphedema. And I couldn't feel my arm or my left side for, a long time. Once I started on Dr. Fuhrman's program, though, very quickly, a lot of these serious illnesses that the medical industry said I needed to live with for the rest of my life started to resolve. And, about a year later, I didn't have anything, no signs of cancer. All the vision came back in my left eye. My lymphedema is gone. And, 10 years later, over 10 years later now, I'm completely healthy. I don't have any diseases, any aches and pains of any kind. So it's, for me, it's a bit of a miracle considering where I was as to where I am today. And really, I just want to send a message out to everybody. You don't have to suffer if you don't want to. Just eat your fruits and vegetables, your G-bombs, and you're going to get healthy.
Thank you.